Hey friends, Vishal this side from V Mavericks, and today I'll be taking you through Kyza product demo and all my exclusive bonuses pack that are available with Kyza purchase. So what is Kyza and why do you need this desperately? So let's get back to the quick points. So Kyza is all-in-one business app suite that helps you create amazing landing pages and websites. Okay, those with this amazing app, you can create high converting landing pages and sales funnels and everything. It also gives you access to branding material that you need to run or that you need to create amazing graphics designs for your social media campaigns or your for running your ads, or you may need it for blog post banners and anything like that. Then it also gives you access to AI powered opt-in forms and pop-ups. This is a really amazing tech. Okay, I have personally seen this technology demo myself. And lastly, you are also getting an autoresponder. Yes, an autoresponder which allows you to send unlimited marketing emails without any restrictions. And the best part is that you are getting everything, all of this under one single dashboard, and that too with zero monthly fees. That means you don't have to pay monthly recurring fees for using these apps. You can access all these features under one dashboard by paying just one time small fee. But why do you need this pack, or why should you go for this pack? The reason is, as of now, for any business to run online, they need to have uh, their digital assets. You need to create landing pages or sales pages or sales funnels to run your ads, to drive traffic towards it, to generate leads and to get sales. Okay, so first thing that you need is landing page builder. Then coming back to the second point. Second point is that you to build a brand, you need to have an awesome design, amazing design. You need to have engaging imagery in your blog posts, in your social media content. Even for video content, you need stock videos and stock images to make it more engaging. And that's why on a regular day you will be required to spend maybe around $49 or even $100 for accessing graphic design pack. You will need to invest in Canva, for example, or you will need to invest in Shutterstock like apps to use this stock imagery and stock videos. But today with Kyza you are getting that branding kit as well. Then apart from that, you need a robust system, a proven system which will help you grab those qualified leads, which will help you turn your leads into customers. And there are already platforms available in the market, like Opt-in Monster is there. Then apart from that, there are several other tools using which you can capture leads, but again you will have to invest in that tools. You will have to pay monthly recurring fees. Okay, then moving to the next point is that you need an autoresponder. Why do you need an autoresponder? Because once you have captured the leads, once you have qualified database of your leads and customers, okay, you need to you need to engage your audience, you need to keep in touch with them, you need to send emails to them, and once you build a relationship then you are in a position to push your products, push your upsells to them. So that's why you need an email marketing solution, an autoresponder which will allow you to send unlimited emails. But again, you will have to spend not less than $49, frankly speaking. And so that means all these apps, for all these activities, you need to invest in multiple apps. Okay, and if you keep spending chunk of money only on these apps, only to use all these apps, then you will end up paying thousands of dollars on a monthly basis. So that's why, if you are in that situation, or if you are already spending on multiple marketing apps, then this is the one only solution that you need. Because using this single app, you can address all these challenges. You can do everything under one dashboard. Okay, so let me quickly take you through this app. Okay, as you can see, you can create lightning fast pages and websites. Okay, you can also create pop-ups, you can unlock the graphics, branding kit and everything, send unlimited emails and everything. Okay, and it also comes with commercial license. I'll come back to that part later. But using this app is quite simple. Okay, it takes only just three easy steps. All you have to do is select any proven to convert landing page or opt-in form or email template as per your niche, as per your requirements. That's it. Then you just have to customize it as per your requirements. Okay, and it's very much easy to customize. Even if you are designing a landing page, opt-in for an email template or anything, okay, it is easily customizable because they have very easy to use drag and drop editor. And once you have done editing and customizing things, all you have to do is publish. That's it. And once you start publishing, you are ready to get awesome traffic, awesome engagement for your marketing materials, for your digital assets, and ready to profit from then and there itself. Okay, I'll not take much of your time, okay, but I'll quickly take you through some of the key features that you are getting, or some of the key elements that you will be able to access once you buy Kyza. So there is landing page and website builders there. You are getting done for you beautiful templates. Yes, these are the done for you, and these are not done by any newbie. These are done by the industry experts. Okay, and so which are ready to use. You just have to use those templates. That's it. Add your content and publish it. That's it. And the best part is you are also getting hosting, a free hosting, where you can host your landing pages and website without any cost. And those are secure servers which deliver your content, which loads your website super fast. Plus you are getting Pixab integration that allows you to access unlimited stock video and stock imagery for your branding purposes, which you can use for your designing blog post banners or web banners or display ad banners. Then there are lead generating systems involved, as in opt-in forms and pop-ups. And remember, I was telling you about the smart or AI driven opt-in forms and pop-ups. What is meant by that? That you can boost your leads and you can boost your sales by showcasing the right offers to your audience. Let's say if I'm on a particular landing page, or if I'm on a particular page, okay, which is about laptops or which is about mobiles, okay, then depending on my interests, and you can showcase me a most relevant offer. You can just, if I'm on a mobile page or if I'm on a laptop laptop product page, you can showcase me an offer which will talk about laptop, let's say 25% discount on instant laptop purchase, something like this. So this is really smart and advanced pop-up that you will be getting with this Kyza app. Then email marketing solution, you are also getting done for you templates for email marketing purposes. Okay, and the best part is this, everything that you are getting is mobile responsive. That means your your campaigns will run smoothly on mobile devices, your campaigns will run smoothly on laptops and tablets and everything. So you desperately need this thing, frankly speaking. Okay, you can see there are so many testimonial people have already used it and got the results. Okay, so let me also talk about the product creators. Okay, so Dr. Amit Parikh, he is a SaaSpreneur. He is an online entrepreneur. Okay, and he has over 200 employees working for his team, working for his company. Okay, and so when you buy Kyza, you don't have to worry about the customer support, because Amit Parikh is the one name that you can completely rely on. Okay, and this is all his team, and you can expect a good quality products from Amit and his team. Then again, there are challenges, like in what all things that you are getting and why you should go for these things. Okay, remember I was telling you about that you need to spend thousands of dollars on a monthly basis. Like now have a look at this ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels charges over $297 per month. Okay, Canva charges $30 per month. Opt-in Monster charges $49 per month. Mailchimp $299 per month. So if you add up, that means you are paying over $8,100 each year for using all of these apps. And what is the sad part? When you deal with multiple apps, okay, you are not sure which app is working for you. The second challenge is that the data. Now you need a robust system that allows you to access the data and share the data with other apps without any issues, without any hassles. But when you work with multiple apps, that's a headache. Okay, and that's why I believe that having all things under one dashboard, that makes job much more easier, because you are creating your campaigns, you are running your campaigns from the single dashboard itself, and then you are having a look, you are reviewing and optimizing your campaigns in that dashboard itself. So that makes work much more easier. Okay, and trust me, actually, so many people are looking for these services, as in people are looking for like sales funnel builder, landing page builder services. They are looking for opt-in form services, and they are looking for graphic designing services as well. So remember, I had told you about the commercial license that you are getting with Kyza. So with the Kyza commercial license, you will be able to offer all these services to hungry buyers and charge them any amount as per your choice. So I would highly recommend going for the Kyza. But remember, before making any purchase, okay, you first go through all the details of this app. Go through the sales page, go through the product demo and everything. Okay, uh, because don't go just by my words. Whenever you make a purchase, go through the product page, go through the product demo video. Okay, and then only make a right decision for your business. Then again, so there are two deals. Okay, I'll get back to on that deals part later, but as of now I'll take you through JV bonuses, as in the bonuses that I'm giving with this amazing deal. Okay, so I'm giving you over 60 bonuses for Kyza. Okay, so that means when you purchase Kyza through me, you will be getting 60 awesome bonuses. And remember, these bonuses are exclusive to my audiences only, my fans and my subscribers only. You will not be getting these bonuses elsewhere. So have a look at these bonuses. Split testing profits. So it's a tool, it's a guide which will allow you to run a profitable split testing. Then second bonus is biz landing pages. It's an easy to use system that creates social powered landing pages in seconds. Third was is guerrilla landing pages tactics, as in how you can improve your conversions by creating perfect landing pages. The landing page monkey review pack, again, it's an amazing landing page builder that gives you an edge over to the other apps. Then explosive list building essentials and list building techniques and everything that you are getting with this bonus. Then you are also getting 33 mobile responsive sales pages that works for any niche. Just have a look at all these bonuses. 21 strategies for generating more traffic. Make first $100 on the web. This is an amazing guide, amazing info product. Then mobile optimizer WP plugin. Niche making secrets. Niche marketing secrets. Sorry, my bad. Then writing tips made is how to write the perfect blog within seconds. Bitcoin profits. Internet marketing models. Bootstrap web development. So you are getting amazing bonuses that you will not find anywhere else. And let's say, even if you don't buy, or let's say you buy Kyza product through me, you are going to get these bonuses. And if you don't like Kyza working for you, you can get the refund within 30 days, and you can still keep my bonuses. You can still keep all these 60 bonuses without any issues. I don't have any problems, because I have created these bonuses only for you, because I want to help you grow your business online. These are really amazing bonuses, frankly speaking. Okay, now coming back to deals. Okay, so there are two deals. One is the regular deal, okay, where you will get the front end product for $47. I'll show it to you. Okay, so these are the so this is one deal, okay, where you are getting the front end product for $37.95. Okay, then once you buy this, then you will be taken to upgrade one that will be again costing for around $67 to $97. Okay, like this there are total 4 upgrades along with the front end purchase. Okay, you can go with this option, or you can go with the bundle option, because bundle is much more affordable, I will say, because you are getting everything under one bundle deal, and that too for just $297. Look, you are getting everything, all the upgrades, as in front end commercial pack and all the four audios for just $297. If you go and buy a regular funnel, then it will cost you $815. But if you go for bundle deal, it will cost only $297. And there is a discount coupon as well, a $10 discount coupon. Sorry, a 10% discount coupon. Okay, but make sure to claim my bonuses. You need to buy Kyza through my affiliate ID only, through my affiliate link only. And how you can ensure that? Over here, okay, once you go on a checkout page, you will see this section. You will see my name, Vishal Kangne, and my affiliate ID 319769. So make sure whenever you purchase Kyza, my name appears on the checkout page. Then only you will be able to claim all my bonuses, all these 60 plus bonuses. Okay, so I would recommend to check this amazing product, check these bonuses, and then make a right decision for your business. Sayonara.